You are looking at Burundi. You may not recognize the name, but it is one of the most beautiful countries in Africa. It has lush green hills, sparkling lakes, and thundering waterfalls. In today's episode, we will take a tour of this amazing country, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Our first stop is the capital city of Bujumbura. The city is located on the southwestern shore of Lake Tanganyika and is the largest city in the country. It is home to around 1.3 million people who mostly make a living from fishing and trading. But if you visit the city, don't forget to check out the famous Burundi night market. There you can buy all kinds of goods, especially crafts and textiles. The city also has several beautiful buildings, including the impressive Cathedral of Our Lady of the Assumption, which dates back to the 1960s. And if you are a nature lover, then head over to the Burundi National Park. There you can go on a guided tour and spot various primates, including chimpanzees and monkeys. Not bad for a city with only 1.3 million people. Next up, we head over to Gitega, the new administrative capital of Burundi. The city is located inland, about 100 kilometers from Bujumbura. It is home to around 250,000 people who mostly make a living from farming. Despite its small size, Gitega has several interesting sites, including the Gitega Royal Palace, which is the only royal palace in Burundi that survived the colonial era. It was built in the late 19th century and was the seat of the monarchy until the country gained independence in 1962. The palace was abandoned for many years, but it has recently been restored and now houses a museum with exhibits on Burundi's history and culture. Another must-see attraction in Gitega is the nearby Kibira National Park. The park is home to a variety of wildlife, including elephants, buffaloes, leopards, and many species of birds. Visitors can go on safari to spot these animals, or they can hike through the park's lush forests and mountains. For our next stop, we head over to Lake Tanganyika. The lake is located on the border with the Democratic Republic of the Congo and Tanzania. It is the second largest freshwater lake in the world by volume and the deepest lake in Africa. The lake is home to a variety of fish species, including the famous Tanganyika sardine, which is a favorite food fish for many people in the region. If you are a water lover, then don't forget to go for a swim or take a boat ride on the lake. You can also visit some of the nearby islands, such as the beautiful Rubondo Island National Park. The park is home to a variety of wildlife, including chimpanzees, leopards, and buffaloes. And last but not least, we head over to the Carrera Waterfalls. The waterfalls are located in the eastern part of the country near the town of Kayanza. They are one of the most spectacular waterfalls in Africa and are a popular tourist destination. The Carrera Falls are formed by the Rujimbuga River as it flows over a cliff into a deep gorge. The height of the falls is around 70 meters and the width is around 100 meters. The water is crystal clear and the surrounding scenery is breathtaking. If you are an adventure lover, then don't forget to go on a guided tour behind the falls. It is truly an unforgettable experience. We have come to the end of our tour of Burundi, a small but beautiful country in Africa. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, goodbye.